my slime from when I was making them. This is my pumpkin looking one. This one's kind of hard to open. There. This is what it looks like. I put cornstarch in this one, so it kind of feels like Play-Doh. But it's not Play-Doh, it's slime. It just feels like Play-Doh. And smells like shampoo.
Yeah, that's why a shampoo finished.
Yeah. Okay, next. Next. This is a big slime.
Oh my gosh.
It's a weird color because I mixed it with other slimes, but it's really big. And I like it because it's really good for cracking. The sound is really good. I'll put this one. Sounds like this. It's really good for cracking stuff. And well, the sound is nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down. I have a smaller one. It's kind of like the other one that I showed you, but it's different a little because it's red. And it also feels like Play-Doh because I also put cornstarch in this one. But there's a lot glitter in this one. It's really cool. This one's a little stretchier. Next, Next, there's some extra containers in here because I'm going to make more. But here's this one. This one is supposed to be clear, but I didn't let it set yet. It's not yet done sitting because it's supposed to be clear, but I need to let it set, but I'm just showing you now. That's what it sounds like. It's already starting to stop bubbling. See? It's not bubbling too much anymore, so that's good. I have another one. This one is my pinkish one. It's really, really good. It's kind of sticky, but it's good. Well, that's what it looks like. It's kind of like so sticky. Then I have one more. It's called the Triple Pack because there's 3 slimes in this one. Here it is. I have this kind of orange slime. Orange one. It's kind of like neon. I have this. This looks like SpongeBob. Then I have a clear one, which I didn't let it set yet because I made it yesterday. So, yeah. Bye.